in Israel, but this was anticipated. This is what Israel wanted all along.
Exactly, Gaurav. The indications of that victory started coming in from that message from Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, where we could see him having that coffee and saying that I think that the coming week will be very good for Israel, because, you know, this was Shabbat yesterday, and very much important out here, I must indicate, Gaurav, there was no alert through the night. The sirens did not sound. Comparatively, in past 10 days, yesterday was a little peaceful in terms of not getting those attacks, not getting those siren alerts from the IDF. That means that now we have to wait and watch, because the coming hours will be quite decisive after these attacks have taken place inside Iran from the United States. And very important out here is the alert has been upped here by the home front inside Israel, because definitely if Israel tries to strike back, counter strikes have to be there, counter measures have to be accelerated aggressively, and that's what we are sensing on ground in Tel Aviv, Gaurav. There are certain indications that Israel is on a high alert in terms of getting any kind of retaliatory attacks from Iran. So certainly a big day, a decisive day, and this day will decide how this 10th day conflict will go ahead. Will it get broader, region-wise, intensity-wise, measure-wise? So it's a very important day, Gaurav.
It indeed is. Harold wrote there are many commentators